examples of terminating decimal. Take a look at this. Listen, Chrysler, Simon. We have 2.5, 0.125, 0.785, 0.56, 12.16. So all of them end or ended, right? So we have 5, that's the end of it. We have 5, we have 6, and we have 6. That's where they ended. Okay? Compared to the other one, 0.66666, 0.666 is an example of a non-terminating decimal. So what does non-terminating decimal mean? It means it continues infinitely or without end. So we use ellipsis. What is an ellipsis? Ellipsis is the 3 dots. Okay? The 3 dots, you call that ellipsis. Okay? We use ellipsis or bar to represent non-terminating decimals.